Good evening, Miss. My full name is Nguyễn Khoa Nam. Today we'll talk about the topic one uh, that describes an exciting social activity that you uh, exper- experience with someone. Uh, one parent 30s, my family and I went to watch the Flores along the running to Levantan Packs. It was an important important holiday of the countries and it were also the days I have the most fun memories with my friends. I really like making the soldiers. That's all. Thank you very much.